Every time she has got to at least the semi-finals. Fofana again with the big throw. She really does put plenty in that. Drogo does really well to ride the challenge space on the left-hand side. Chance here for Ivory Coast, and they cannot take it. Well, it was put on a plate, and yet unable to profit. Excellent approach play from Drogo. Elo unable as of back in that midfield. A real leader of this Ivorian team. Sessani leaves it to Dlamini. Oh, the keeper gathers, but not convincingly. Diakite flapped at it a little, but nonetheless, the Ivorians are coming clear. That's lovely ball down the middle of the pitch, and an early action effort on goal, and a brilliant goal. Well, that was defence to attack in the blink of an eye, and Ruth Seri, to the delight of her coach Reynald Petros, has given the Lady Elephants the lead. And that was blistering football right through the middle of the pitch. And it was this pass here into Seri, and look at that one touch, guiding it past Swart. Through the heart. Coast lead by 2-0. And South Africa about to suffer the biggest shock they've had at the WAFCON in recent times. They are being pulled apart. They are not looking threatening an attack, and that is quite the contrast to the Lady Elephants, who are trampling all over Banyana. Swag come out again in no man's land. No woman's land. Well, having come, she didn't need to stop, and that was surely the error she made. Compounding the early decision to come out. And look at that from Seri. Coolness personified. And she has now got 2 goals at the tournament to become the Ivorians joint top scorer. We've yet to see too much of in this game. And that will be a little bit of a worry for some. Too many clean sheets. Just 2 from their 9 games so far. Here's Kalana. Seri. Connaught. Confidence surely coursing through this Ivorian side. Seri, space out on the left if she wants to use it with Elo, and she does. And even the left back for the Ivorians getting forward. Nice football from the Lady Elephants again. Connaught in the middle, so too Drogo. And the delivery from Yapo, who hasn't really got too far forward in this game. Dlamini. Skills as well from Drogo. He just held on to. Good save by Diakite. Much better football from South Africa, because for once that was incisive. Straight through the heart of the Ivorian defence. Kadlane getting a touch, but Diakite reading the situation well. Smothering the danger they have made. Also a fellow goalkeeper, rival goalkeeper as well. Gamedi lining this up. Kamedi straight into Mane. Off the Ivorians go against. He's recovered really well, Kamedi, to stop Wedrogo, who then pulled the attack. And here's Kouassi doing that, eating up the ground and trying to skip her way past Lamini. A little over ambitious.